I really like this. This is awesome. I really enjoy my iced coffee. This is a portable blender. I'm not kidding when I say portable. It comes with a USB cord to charge. It comes with a bottle, and it comes with this cap, which is a protecting cap. This is the bottom of the bottle, and this is the top of the bottle. It's made by a company called Bravo. You put the bottle in. Now it's just a matter of putting your favorite stuff in it. So coffee first. Coffee is in. Next, milk. Next, caramel macchiato in my case, but you could add whatever you want. And a bunch of ice. So how many? I put 4 or 5 cubes. And now, press and hold. It will turn on. And then it runs for 20 seconds. So I'm going to push again. And it's completely wireless. I'm not kidding, it's wireless. And some people will ask how many times can you use it. I've done 30 and 40 and not even one light went away from the battery. There is a battery indicator over there and not even one went away. So, and you could stop it and you could turn it back on if you want. So now we have ICED Coffee Slushy. This is as good as it gets. What's even more interesting about it, you could drink it with this thing at the bottom. So if you want to just taste it, you don't have to take it off. You could close the lid. If you want to take this off, flip it upside down. Right now, all the coffee is down here. Unscrew this. That turns off automatically because it senses that there is no bottle on it. And then you just screw the bottom at the bottle and you're ready to go. It comes with a regular cap also, but let's be honest, this is pretty cool. I really like this. This is awesome. I really enjoy my iced coffee. It's, I don't know, it just feels like a kid. I just discovered it. So cold in Vegas summers. Thanks for watching. And how do you wash it? You just put it under the faucet and just rinse it.